your lip and all in your chin here, all up your nose. That is disgusting.
Yeah, one more time? Yeah, better, huh? Need more? I give it, Amy.
Bring back memories, Vic?
The smell of burnt foam.
Yeah.
Nobody's favorite.
Good job. You need a pole. Same much, both hands.
Straight.
Yeah. Straight,
Right off straight, and you went a little too deep.
Try practice hit back brake too. For fixing, yeah. For under rotate practice and over rotate practice, try to fix every time. If something happens, back brake, under rotate, don't go side, you just try to land it.
Two sides.
Yeah. But now you know more scary, so next one, you just...
What happened?
The bike hit you?
It like fully let go.
It'll go away. Contemplating life for a second. It'll go away. It's just a stinger.
I got mine.
All right, Bubba, jump up. Come on. Good. Back on the team. You got the next ball. There you go.
Yeah.
Yes, bro.
The champs are made of.
Pull and look back with your head, and you pulled at the right time that time. If you had just stayed with it and looked back, you would have done it.
And I
You're right
stay
there.
with the
You're right
line.
there.
At the air, you can't give up.
You're doing great, honey.
Yeah.
As long as it didn't hurt, you're good.
Yeah.
Because you're pulling and you're trying to look, and when you try and look, it's making you hit come forward. Slow your speed down. So just go, and just boom, you're into the ride. You got it.
I have faith.
Yeah, but scary.
He makes it around just fine. He just needs to hold on to it so he can go with it.
I know that moment. I remember BMX. I can go through. Yeah.
You come up the ramp, you pull, and then you're looking forwards, and then you're going back. Which is that's the problem, huh? Because you're not committing to going around. You got to ride off that ramp and do a backflip and commit to it.
Tell us in coaching words.
Just pull. No. If you get lean sideways, then if you give up, you get used to it, and sometimes that you could mistake, So then same happen. Then if you mistake, then you give up, crash, then broken bone. So try to fix it. No give up.
So I struggle with once I got the pull, I kind of did the same thing you were doing. So then I just was like, okay, I know how to pull, so I don't have to think of the pull is already kind of your muscle memory now. So now almost focus on that minute right there. Now that you've got that, you've got this part perfect.
It's like because I hit this and then it bounces me back.
I did the same thing. So now it's almost go back into your racing style and just scoot yourself back. Even if you hit, I just scooted myself back and fought it, Because you've already got what you're doing off the ramp, great. You got that muscle memory. Now it's picking apart the flip, off the ramp once you leave the ramp and picking it apart detailed. That's what we're doing now. Because if you can get them around, now we have to pick apart each little piece so you can perfect each little piece, So you've got everything perfect here. Now we just gotta take it a little bit further and perfect each little piece of it.
For sure.
Got it, no problem.
Yep.
That's what fine tuning means. Frustrating.
More gas on the ramp. He did it, but need a little bit more push. But that's good, right? Yeah. Distance.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's what we call clean.
That's what we call clean.
That's what we call clean.
Yank a little harder on top.
Getting a bit harder?
Little bit. Then you come around. Nice, mate. Better than second gear. Scary if you change the gear.
I hate it.
Right?
Stay with it.
You're off the gas.
Yeah, you did go higher. Hey, it's all good. It's part of the steps. It's all good. It's all part of the step. Come in fast, okay? If you want to get off the gas, that's good, but just don't lose any momentum. You can get off the gas, but once you hit the ramp, you're wide open again. You're looking through, so your head never committed. It never looked back. Look at your head. Just go straight forwards, okay? You're trying to start your flip up here when you're already going straight. You need to, right off the top, which is good, the head should be back, like this. Boom. When you come off the top, okay? You have to commit, you're just second guessing yourself. You're going around, boom. If you pull it and you look forwards, you're never going to do a backflip, okay? And watch this, then you hump the bars. So, you gotta wait, pull backwards, and right there, your head should be back, dude. All the way back, with your eyes rolled in the back of your head. Remember that? You got this? Make that adjustment and you got it. Once you're forward and you can try and look more for leaning, it's just naturally you go like that, and it slows you down. Just pull and wait. Okay? Pull and wait. Boom, you can stay there. It'll come around and you'll be like, oh, there it is. Just take this quick second.
Might have missed that shot.
Are you serious, my brother?
If you go this much speed, you're not gonna overshoot or you.
Rotation's good.
So the other day I said I was going to jump a Hembog forward. Today's the day we're going to jump the Hembog forward. So got my wings on, got a fresh lid. Look at this thing. Woo! Badass. It's all matte finish, got the flow red. I love that fade color there with the white, yellow to orange. Feeling it. Thank you Air Tricks, killed it again. So here we go, let's jump the forward.
That's what we call clean.
Yes sir. Jump the Hembog forward. It's actually a little bit scary because like you come in and it just changes it all. You just can't kind of see the landing, which it's definitely different, but hopefully it's a good shot. I just want to get a good shot of going over my favorite truck I've ever driven. This thing's badass. It's a powerhouse. It tows my trailer. It's my skiddy. You can just load the thing up. Fits the whole family. It's like literally the working man's best choice of vehicle. So thank you Hembog Ford. You saved the day for me day after day after day. So could be more proud to drive my Ford truck. If you're in the market for a new vehicle, go see the folks at Hembog Ford. They will get you dialed in with the vehicle of your dreams. I know I'm happy. I just want you to be as happy as I am. Go see the guys at Hembog Ford.
Talking about.
That's what we call clean.
That's what we call clean.